Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is July 19th on a Wednesday, and taking a look around, and the SPY just continues to power higher. No reason to be short this market, that's for sure. We're kind of flat on the day, opening up pretty much where we closed. I'm not going to look at the other indices because we got some setups to look at. And first on the list is Groupon. Okay, Groupon's got a heavy short interest of about 35%. This is setting up nicely after regaining its moving averages, the 10 and the 20 there. So, usually I like to catch these a little early in case they don't go. So I'm just going to put an alert right here around about 707, 708, and see what happens there. Look for volume if it does, break this level. I'd like to see volume. Otherwise, it could just come right back down again. Let's see. This Weave, WEAV, has been trading sideways after a nice move. This is a bull flag we have here. And boy, that's a lot of strength there. So I'm just going to set me a little alert right below that monthly high and see what happens there. But a very powerful chart there in WEAV. NVTS. NVTS has been on the watch list quite a bit, very similar to that Weave, but more sloppy on these downdrafts, but nonetheless it has regained, looking to take out that monthly high again, so watch that one. And KC, this is kind of a China play, but I did notice yesterday when the China markets were getting destroyed, this one held up pretty good. So I'm watching that KC above maybe this 3-day high there. All right, there's plenty of more on our list. If you have trade ideas, you can watch these in real time. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.